Hello, we're about to start a video about the automatic lighting from recuperation braking. So we have set here many cameras. This camera, it's already recording the front view, and there is also a back camera that is going to record the backlighting. When we are going to press the brake or automatic braking, we will start. We can see it. Seat belt on. Let's go. So, drive. Okay, now we are just going drive. Okay, we're rolling now. I lift off the accelerator, no braking, so recuperation level 4. Okay, let's stop. So this was the video for tonight. It's night. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching and see you at the next videos. Subscribe for more. Bye.